I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the iPhone is unlocked and responsive. Once done, check that notifications aren't blocking the screen. Press and hold the app you want to move until you see quick actions, then either tap Edit Home Screen or keep holding until icons wiggle. This is jiggle mode. You need wiggle mode to reposition icons, create folders, or move apps to the dock. Make sure you don't lift your finger too soon when dragging begins, because a lift will drop the icon in place. Now drag the wiggling app to the exact spot you want. If you drag to the screen edge, iOS will switch pages. Hold briefly at the edge to let it jump. To group apps, hover one app over another until a folder appears, then drop. Once in a folder, you can rename it or rearrange its contents. For quick access, drag apps to the dock at the bottom. Remember, the dock holds up to 4 icons on most iPhones, so prioritize the ones you use most. Finish by tapping Done in the top corner or pressing the side or home button. This locks the layout. If an app won't move, make sure restrictions aren't enabled and then restart the iPhone. Reboot often clears transient glitches. If you still can't position apps as desired, go to Settings, Home Screen, and review suggested layouts or reset home screen layout. Doing that can restore default positions so you can start arranging again. One key tip: ensure
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.